Well, hi guys. It's Tuesday. I'm off work, and as you can see, I'm on my bike. Got Cole with me. Camera not adjusted right though. Bring it up a little bit. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. That's still a little. I guess that'll be all right. Cole done left me. Adjust this a little bit more. There we go. That's better. Wait a minute. Trying to find the right spot for that. Haven't quite gotten it down pat yet, but it's cool. I'm gonna run him today. We're at the park. Come on, Cole. I did give him a little chicken before we left. Come on. Here he comes. Some people walking ahead of us. Come on, Cole. You okay? Film a little bit before we left. You can't keep up. Come on this side. Come on. Over here. Just ignore him. You're all right.
How far back can you get on the trails here anyway?
Huh? You can go all the way to Yates Cider Mill. Yeah. You know how to get there? You follow this trail here, and then you'll see you can either go right or you can go left. Go left, and then there's another trail that goes this way. Follow that, and then you'll see
Is that the trail that goes along the river?
yeah.
Oh, all right.
And it's hard to miss it though. I mean it's
We tried to get back there one other time, but the bugs got so bad.
the bugs are bad, man. That's why I'm on my bikes, because they can't catch me. But it's hard to see that trail.
Yeah.
But once you catch it,
Hard on that trail.
no, it's not. It's a pretty easy trail once you find it. We're going there, but you ain't gonna be able to keep up. We might see you on the way back, but go all the way to the end of this. Go this way, and then go that way. They want to find the main trail. I don't know if there's any maps to this. But anyway, guys, Cole and I are out here on a Tuesday afternoon. I guess you can tell by how low the sun is. It's late afternoon. But we're out here doing our thing. Had a good day's work today. Got off a little early, so I was able to come out here. I had to do a little running around, but I wish I had have just came straight here, rode my bike on the mountain bike trail, and then went home and got Cole. I was riding the mountain bike trail and bringing Cole too. That's not a not a good combination. But it's cool. Yeah, they might think that other trail over there was the way to go. But the trail is over here. Oh, look at that. A tree fell across the path there. So, I never took my mountain bike through here. Keep up, Cole.